I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. Let me go to a restaurant. Let me go to a restaurant. This place looks nice. This place looks nice. I will sit here. I will sit here. Let me check the menu. Let me check the menu. There are many options here. There are many options here. What should I order? What should I order? This dish looks delicious. This dish looks delicious. I think I will order this. I think I will order this. I also want something to drink. I also want something to drink. Maybe I should get a juice. Maybe I should get a juice. Let me place my order. Let me place my order. I hope the food comes quickly. I hope the food comes quickly. The food smells amazing. The food smells amazing. Let me start eating. Let me start eating. This tastes really good. This tastes really good. I like this dish. I like this dish. The portion is enough for me. The portion is enough for me. I am enjoying this meal. I am enjoying this meal. I feel full now. I feel full now. Let me finish my drink. Let me finish my drink. I should ask for the bill. I should ask for the bill. Let me pay the bill. Let me pay the bill. That was a good experience. That was a good experience. I will come here again. I will come here again.